Now students, let us take one more example. Here we have to find out selling price. Okay, and you know very well, to find out selling price we should have cost price and profit or loss. Okay, but here we have cost price and profit percent, not profit. Okay, so here first of all we need to find out profit. Okay, profit percent is given 10%, and 10% means 10 out of 100, but we have to find out profit for 80 rupees, not 400. Okay, so first of all we have to find out profit. Okay, so how can we find out profit? Yes, profit will be 10% of 80 rupees. 10% of 80. Why? Because profit percent or loss percent is always calculated on cost price. Okay, जो हमारा प्रॉफिट होगा वो किसके अकॉर्डिंग होगा बेटा? कॉस्ट प्राइस के अकॉर्डिंग. ठीक है, प्रॉफिट परसेंट और लॉस परसेंट इज ऑलवेज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन कॉस्ट प्राइस. So here we have to find out 10% of 80. 10% of 80 will be our actual profit. So here first of all we have to solve it. And how can we solve it? We have already discussed like these questions in our chapter number 7, percentage. Here you can see, how can we find 25% of 700? Okay, first of all, we have to remove this symbol. And how can we remove this symbol? Yes, here we have to write 100 for this symbol as a denominator, because 25% means 25 out of 100. Okay, so for 25% we have to write 25 by 100. Means first of all we have to write it as a fraction, 25 by 100, and then we have to multiply it with the given number. And here we have 700. So here we have to multiply it with 700. Can cut these two zeros with these last two zeros. Okay, now we have only 25 and 7 as numerator. Now we have to multiply this 25 with 7, and when we multiply 25 with 7 then we get 175. Okay, so 25% of 700 will be 175. Like this we have to solve this also. Okay, here we have 10% of 80. So here first of all we have to remove this symbol. 10% means 10 out of 100. So here we have to write 10 by 100. Now we have to put sign of multiplication for of. And now we have to write 80. And here we can cancel this 0 with this last 0, and this 0 with this last 0. Okay, now we have only 1 and here 8 as numerator. So 1 8 are 8. So profit will be 8 rupees. Now we have to find out selling price. Okay, and you know, in the case of profit, selling price will be greater. Okay, here you can see, in the case of profit, selling price will be greater than the cost price. Okay, so to find out selling price we need to add profit to cost price. Okay, we need to add, we have to add profit and cost price to find out selling price, because in the case of profit selling price will be greater. Okay, so now we have to write selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. And what is the cost price? Yes, 80 rupees is the cost price. And what is the profit? Only 8 rupees is the profit. And when we add 80 and 8, we get 88 rupees as selling price. Okay. So like this, we have to find out selling price. And let us take one more example. Here we have, if the cost price of an almirah is 7,000 rupees, on selling it, the shopkeeper suffers a loss of 45%. Find the selling price of the almirah. In this question, we have cost price of almirah and 45% is loss. Okay, means we have loss percent and cost price. And here we need to find out selling price. And you know that if we want to find out selling price, then we should have cost price and loss or profit. But here we don't have profit, we don't have loss. Here we have loss percent. Okay, so to find out selling price, first of all we need to find out loss, because here we have loss percent. Okay, so here first of all we have to write cost price of almirah. Okay, which is given, and that is 7,000 rupees. And loss percent also is given, 45% is loss. Okay, loss percent is 45%. And now we have to find out loss. And what will be loss? What will be actual loss? Yes, 45% of 7,000, because we know loss percent or profit percent is always calculated on the cost price, and here cost price is 7,000 rupees. Okay, so what will be loss? 45% of 7,000 rupees. Okay, 45% means 45 out of 100. Okay, so here we have to write 45% of 7,000. And how can we solve it? Yes, here first of all we have to remove this symbol. 45% means 45 out of 100, or you can say 45 by 100. Now we have to put the sign of multiplication for this off. Okay, and now we have to write 7,000, and here we can cut these two zeros with these last two zeros. Now we have 45 and here 70 as numerator. Now we have to multiply 45 with 70. Okay, here we have 10 at the end, so here you can write this 0 at last. Now we have to multiply this 45 with 7. 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28, 28 and 3, 31. So 3,150 will be loss, will be actual loss. Okay, 45% is loss percent and 3,150 is loss. Okay, now we have to find out selling price. So here we have to write selling price. And how can we find the selling price? Yes, in the case of loss, selling price will be smaller. Selling price will be smaller. Here you can see, in the case of loss, selling price will be smaller than the cost price. So here we have to, the smaller value we need to subtract. Okay, so here we have to subtract loss from cost price. Okay, to find out selling price we have to subtract loss from cost price. Okay, so here we have to write selling price minus loss, and here you can see cost price is 7,000 and 3,150 rupees is the loss. So here we have to subtract 3,150 from 7,000. Here we have to write 7,000 rupees minus loss is 3,150. Okay. And when we subtract 3,150 from 7,000, then we get here 0, then 5, and here 9 minus 1, 8, and here 6 minus 3, 3. Okay. Means when we subtract 3,150 from 7,000, then we get 3,850 rupees. Okay. So 3,850 rupees is selling price of this almirah. Okay. I hope you all have understood that how can we find loss percent and how can we find profit percent. Okay. And how can we find out selling price? If we have cost price and loss or profit percent. Thank you.